Parents' Choice Breast Milk Storage Bag, 100 count. Product details. Give your little ones the nourishment they need when they need it with Parents' Choice Breast Milk Storage Bags. Each box comes with 100 BPA-free, pre-sterilized breast milk storage bags that are safe for refrigerator and freezer storage. The leak-proof double zipper seal helps prevent spills so your baby gets the most out of every bag. To use, open the bag by tearing off safety seal and pulling apart zip closures. Carefully pour breast milk into storage bags. Carefully reclose bag to ensure as little air as possible remains. To thaw breast milk, place sealed bag in refrigerator or run under tap water. To warm, place sealed bag in warm tap water. Check milk temperature and mix separated milk before feeding. Busy moms on the go love the quality and convenience of Parents' Choice breast milk storage bags. Since 1998, Walmart's Parents' Choice has been trusted by parents across the country to provide quality, affordable baby products. We offer a wide range of products including diapers, wipes, toiletries, baby food, formula and baby feeding products. With a quality guarantee to back up all its baby, toddler, infant and newborn products, Parents' Choice takes care of your little one's needs for less.